Zimbabwe's disputed 2023 elections failed the integrity test, scoring 18% in a latest global survey by the Electoral Integrity Project. Ashpiri mushamuri Zimbabwe, tona nyika yeZimbabwe yonzi Zimbabwe is the 5th lowest in electoral integrity globally munyika dzose. Zvonzi aiwa Zimbabwe, it is number 5, the lowest in electoral integrity global. Ashpiri mushe zambe na mashoko abuda aiwa achinyorwa panapa the news day, noti subscribe oleko tina on the bell eko. Tipina Yonyara Chete, the project housed at the Royal Military College of Canada, Queen's University and the University of East Anglia, produces innovative and policy-relevant research comparing elections worldwide. The research aims to measure electoral integrity in terms of elections, empowering citizens and delivering democracy. According to its latest report, Zimbabwe scored 18 out of 100 on the electoral integrity scale, placing it 5th lowest globally. Zimbabwe is 5th lowest in electoral integrity globally, scoring 18 out of 100, and saw the largest global decline in integrity with a 25-point overall drop, the report read. Ndomashwa robuda muri Zimbabwe kuti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe zvonzi electoral integrity yayo aiwa yoreita kuti saka nyika yeZimbabwe it is the list number 5 in the whole world. Tese kuti munyika mune in the whole world mune nyika ngani, and Zimbabwe yonzi it is the list is number 5. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi? Ndo pamunozoona aiwa the government ichipikisa kuti aiwa vanoita credible elections. Tudze mafunguro enyu pena comment section medu. Amsaka no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.